Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at this lock from Texas Gem. It's the one with the Y1 keyway. Uh, if I get this one picked today, it means I've only got two more of his to get through. And those other two are way tougher than this one. Anyway, this key's nothing really special. There's the bitting. The lock does work, and it's locked up now. I'm going to start out picking this one with the offset hybrid from Sparrows. It's a pretty good pick. I've gone to using it quite often, but I don't think I've replaced all my older go-to picks with this one quite yet. I got a little bit of a false set as I was working my way back there. I think I was bumping on pin 4. I'm going to dance on pin 5. I got a little bit more of a false set dancing on pin 5. He might be a T-pin. A little bit of counter rotation on 6. And a click right there. All right, let's go back up towards the front. Everybody's still springing right here. Just trying to figure out where my counter rotation's at right now. I'll lighten up on the tension just a hair. A little bit of a click off of 4. Okay, which one of you? Come on, talk to me. Where you go? It looks like pin 2. A little click off of him. I lost some of my false set there. I was off a 5. I get some counter rotation off of just about every pin I touch right now. Going back up towards the front here. Some counter rotation off of 1. I want to switch picks here because that offset hybrid can't reach up to pin 1 quite perfectly. Okay. And I've got it open finally off of pin 1, and I went back and brushed pin 3, then I hit pin 1 again. Alright, so let me scoot the laptop back. Have that sucker in tight. Okay, let me get this out of the way. Okay, let me get this C-clip off. Let's go ahead and lock it too. Should change these videos to C-clip removal instead of lock picking. And I'll shoot that one across the desk. And there's my key. Let's go ahead and turn it this way. Well, that was pin 4 that dropped out. He landed in spot 4. And that one is a kind of a serrated spool, more of a serrated. Number 1, kind of serrated, homemade. 2 is a nice homemade serrated. Let me grab my tweezers here. I don't know how well you can make that out in this particular camera, but at the end of the video I'll include a close-up shot of all the pins as well. Another serrated. Another serrated. And another serrated. So all serrated pins in the bottom. And I've got threading here in chambers 2, 3, and 6. Alright, let's go ahead and check the Bible now. Pin 1's a spool. Pin 2 is a very deep spool. Pin 3 is a spool, factory spool. Pin 4 is kind of like a mushroom serrated pin. It's a pretty interesting looking pin. And that was 5 and 6. Pin 5 was a kind of a mushroom spool, and pin 6 was a spool. Let me dump these springs out here. All the same types of springs. And in the top I've got threading in chamber 1, chamber 4, and chamber 5. Anyway, you guys, this is Texas Jim's lock. Jim, thanks for the lock. I really appreciate it. It's kept me busy for a while. Anyway, guys, stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Don't pick any locks that you don't own or have permission to pick. And as always, thanks for watching.